Marines, whatever, that weren't in combat like I was. That kind of combat, I mean, in the mix of it, where you saw a lot of stuff. Uh, they were like, they worked in the rear in base camps and stuff, and they weren't really honored. But what people don't understand is when you're 18 years old, before I went to Vietnam, I watched TV in the news and I saw people getting killed and all this. And at our age, we were scared, because there was the draft then. Not everybody volunteered, officers did. I did because my best friend got killed over there. So I said, well, I'm going to go because